Kinongsim benta jong kajingilang G20 kebalalong hasilong na kebenta arsni kala syok ya kajing internet jong kemarin saudong saukun jong gajala Meghalaya kebakentup ya kisnong kitau jong keselong bat Sohra. Kini Nongmih Khmat jong ke G20 hin kesni kala Leit Shanghai Pradesh sabun teli kijaka petkai Sohra kebakentup ya kamau kodak kekrem arwa syaksat nok klikai kekrem mausmai keksat nok snithang bat katang karang pak. Kini Nongmih Khmat kila pensngo ru ia kajing sung tenat kajong ki halor kajing long jiman jong kinong song snong bat kalaya ro ru ia kajing bam tenrai jong kajala kadu darshan Meghalaya kalaya lat ban kren bat katu kaningut kinong wan yesim benta ban yo sngo halor kajing sham jong ki.
This is amazing, you know, we are working on the future like this seminar was on space, so building rockets, building satellites and sending humanity out of the earth, and here we are just getting back to the past and see how deep we are linked to this earth, and Meghalaya is maybe the beginning of all that story. So fantastic and a great experience. Thank you, Meghalaya.
I have enjoyed very much the place and the beauty of what we have seen. The people have been wonderful. Yesterday night also we had a cultural program which for me was quite outstanding because it was very different from everything else I had seen in other parts of India. And it was just very unique and very authentic, a lot of it coming from the local tribes of Meghalaya.